Welcome fellow overlanders and off-road enthusiasts to another episode of 4X4GULF product review series.
We're going to be talking today about the Diode Dynamics LED light bulbs. These are the replacement to your factory light bulbs that come with the Toyota fjcruiser. Now we have three types of light bulbs that will be shown here. One of them is the maplights, and I'll show you here in the screen where the maplight is located. So we have over here the maplights. These are the mirror lights. Now you'll notice that both of these look similar, but on each of these lights there's a little bit of a barcode which is written here, and they're different between these two even though they look exactly the same. This one over here is your standard dome light, and this is what the guy looks like. And what we're aiming to do here is replace these guys because they are pretty crappy in lighting, and if you open them up at night you'll see that it's quite dark and you can't see a lot of things at all, and these do make a very big difference. So starting with the dome light, this is what the guy looks like. There's an SMD light that's over here. There's a bit of capacitance and cooling for this light so it doesn't overheat. It's pretty much plug and play between these two guys. It's just plug it in. I'll show you in a bit where you can go to the website to get these lights and what is the difference between an HP5, an HP36 and an HP6 kind of a light. There's also this that you need to pay attention. What is the color of the light that you guys are getting? There's many different colors, but I would recommend to go with the cool white because the Kelvin scale on that is the highest, which is about 6000. On the back of the pamphlet you'll see some features of what it is. The installation is pretty much plug and play. Just one note, when you are installing this light in your car, when you first put it in, if it doesn't work, all you need to do is just flip it 180 degrees, plug it in, and it should be able to work. This guy has a 3-year warranty, which is pretty amazing. These lights come about $12, but they last a lifetime and they're very good. Now these guys are the mirror lights. These sit on outside on your FJ, the little dome lights that are outside. There's a lot of LEDs that you can see over here. Pretty much plug and play, fits in the same socket on your FJ mirror light. And this over here is the dome light, exactly the same size. But this is much brighter. Now let me show you where you can go to purchase these lights. Just go to the landing page that I put on the screen, www.doityourself.com. Once you reach the landing page, you'll be met with the options for the vehicle settings. You'll be able to choose here the year of your car, the make and the model. So for example, we've chosen 2015 in this case, and we went with Jeep as an example, and we went with Wrangler. Loading the page, you'll be able to see the different options that these guys are offering for the Jeep Wrangler, from side markers to dome to map to turn lights, backup lights, and many other examples. If you go back and scroll down on the page, you'll be able to see also different categories of these cars, such as headlights, fog lights, off-road, and clicking on any of these would show you the different models for the different cars altogether. If you also go to the top of the page, you can go by different bulb categories as well, and it will show you the drop down for each one of these lights. For the sake of this example, we're going to be showing for the fjcruiser, because the bulbs I showed at the beginning of the video were specific for the fjcruiser model, and the fitment is exact plug and play for the fjcruiser. Noting here, this is a US website, so you won't be able to find fjcruisers that are post 2014 because they stopped manufacturing there. So on this page you'll be able to see the different types of lights that we've shown in the beginning of the video. Starting with map light, you can see that there are many different models, and the lumens there shows you each model what is the brightness of these lights, as well as the different color ratings that are there. So for example, the HP is 356 lumen, the HP5, which we highlighted in the beginning of the video, was 92, and this is the strongest out of all of them. It's a little LED board Now, like I said, also in the colors that you can see, the cool white is the brightest out of all of them. The rest are all 3000 Kelvin, so they'll have a warm effect to them. Looking here at this picture, you'll be able to see the big difference of what these lights can do for your car. A lot of people have posted pictures as well, or reviews of when they install different colors and what they look like as well. If we go back now, let's go check out the dome. And trunk, by the way, is the same as the cargo lights. It's a small light. This is only about $5 as well. There are different as well categories and different lumens for all of them, so it depends on what you want and what your requirements are. Again, there are different color lightings as well with different Kelvin scales. Again, I would recommend to go with the cool white because it is the brightest out of all of them. You can see in this picture that it does make a big difference when you install these new lights, and it's pretty incredible. I kid you not. Installation is very easy. And next I'll show you how these things get installed, and stay tuned.
This is the stock. This is the LED. So, let me tell you that there's actually two hooks, upward hooks on top. So you can't pry this off to the right from the right hand side or the left hand side, and definitely you cannot peel this off from the top like that, right? So definitely can't do it this way, right? You will see a lot of videos and how to when they pull it on this side right here or the opposite side. It's because those two upward hooks are already broken. That's why you could do that. But the way to do this is just from underneath. There's two retaining clips here, two retaining clips here, and two retaining clips. So a total of 6 plus the two upward hooks.
Pull straight out by giving it a nice amount of force, and it'll unclip from the clips behind. You can see the clips that hold it in place. Then just set this aside, and you'll see right away that bulb socket here. So we're just going to turn this counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it straight back. Now, you might want to turn this off. It's going to be pretty hot here otherwise. But then you can just replace it with your new LED bulb. If it doesn't turn on right away, unplug it and rotate it 180 degrees. This is our HP36, so it works in either direction. This is a much brighter bulb than factory. We're then going to put it back in the socket, line everything up, and then just turn clockwise to lock it in place. Then we can reattach our mirror by lining up those clips. Clean up your mirror, repeat on the other side, and that'll be it. So we upgraded our mirror lights to a nice cool white appearance and increased level of brightness.
Check that out. This is the center of the FJ. I can definitely tell the difference. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. That looks awesome.
We hope you enjoyed this quick review and install guide. Click on the bell icon for updates on our next video. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching.